Well, good day, Patreons this time. I think this is a Patreon exclusive video. I might post it to the public, but way later. I don't know. We'll see. Well, I'm in the middle of a clusterfuck here, but I figured I would give you guys a backseat, behind the scenes look at this. I'm probably not going to edit this very much, so let's start with something you guys already like. I have to do an unboxing. This is not really something that fits into my mailbag videos. Alright, one of these. Yeah, this one's just for me. It was $1 something. Cheaper than my dollar store, so. And one of these guys. So this guy I might take a look at on the channel, but not today. I've got some work to do. So what this is not really for this channel. It's more for my wife's channel. It's an AC adapter. Yeah, it's an AC adapter for Nikon cameras. Yeah, okay. Good. So basically how it works is all this stuff here is shot on a Nikon D3300, and I also own a D7000, and my wife is now using that D7000 for her new YouTube channel. So basically what this is this is the battery that goes into the D7000, but this is a cord and not a battery. So just poke it into the little channel in there, and this will supply the voltage to the camera. So this guy here, 9 volts, 4.5 amps. Geez, 9 volts, really? That's a bit scary. I think that's only a 7.2 volt battery that goes in there. Oh well, don't want to use it up too much because it's actually a gift from my wife, because the way she's set up the camera is very hard to take down and put up on the stand there. Let's see if this thing doesn't catch on fire. It's pretty good. Okay, so plus and minus are there. We'll try to take a measurement there. Oh, nice. These guys will probably fit in there. DC volts. You can tell this is just as disorganized as my usual videos, only more so. Alright, can you see that? You can probably see that. Alright, so plus and minus. Yeah, look at that, 9.3 volts. I'll have to see what an actual battery. Yeah, 3.2 between these two. We got here. Like basically nothing. There's supposed to be an ID chip in here. 6 volts between these two. Okay, well, hopefully it doesn't destroy my D7000, because that would suck. So I'm going to put this back together and then give it to my wife. So that's good. Next thing though is this guy here, and this is supposed to be a decent lav mic. I just have like a cheapie on here. This guy, apparently they're like 50 bucks usually. It was 20 bucks. Figured with your support I would get one. So there's an extension cable, won't be needing that. That's the adapter cable to go on a GoPro, won't be needing that. Here's the adapter, I will be needing that to put this guy into, yeah, see, that's for a smartphone. And you pop this guy in here, and now I can use it on my DSLR. That's great. I have a nice short cable. little windsock there. I might put the bigger windsock, this guy here. I also run the lav mic actually hooked up to my, oh shit, sorry. I hope I remembered to mute that. I just smashed my mic. I usually have it hooked up to my mount and facing me instead of on me, because when I move around it tends to make noise. So I might actually put this windsock on top and have it be more isolated from me, basically. This is omnidirectional. Oh, very nice. This is actually a pretty nice clip. Oh wow, this is pretty strong. So yeah, we'll see how that sounds. I have some stuff to do, which is the point of this video. This video is not just a unboxing. I do have some stuff I have to get done, which I thought I'd bring you guys along for. And so I guess you'll see that stuff and you'll hear it with the new mic. So that being said, let me get this shit out of the way and we can get back to work. Alright, well, now you're listening to me through the Purple Panda. I don't know if the quality's any good. I'll only know once I'm done in the edit. So, anyways, why are you here? Why am I bringing you along? Well, I have a project which you'll probably see shortly after this one, because it'll be posted very shortly, where I need a bunch of resistors, and I've got every single resistor I need: 3.3K, 180, 2.2K, 820, 270 ohms, except for 560. I need a 560 ohm resistor, and for some reason, I'm going to go through all my shit here. I should probably need to take some out too, but I do not, for the life of me, I'm going to take these 10 ohms out. You'll see why shortly. Put this guy back in. I do not have any 560 ohms. I don't know why, because it's a standard resistor. This one that's not in an envelope is yellow, purple, black, so that's 470, and then brown, which is 10, so it's 4.7K. It's 330, 3K, 22, 39, 0.5, 39K, 68, 560, 56. Okay, so close. I need 560, but I have 560K. Just gotta confirm it's K. We have green, blue, black. That's 560. And then orange? Yeah, and orange would be K. So 560 and then 1000. So 560K. And then we have 56K, which is green, blue, black, red. Green, blue, black. That's 560. Red is 2 zeros, 56K. Yeah, I don't know why. And, you know, I went through this like 10 times. Of course, when you guys are around, that means that I'm going to find it finally. 5.6 meg ohms, like as if that's going to be useful. 27 ohms, 56 ohms, 82, 470K, 5.6K. I feel like I already had a 5.6K. Whatever. You guys will see it on video. Oh, 5.6, that's 56K. Yeah. 5.6 ohms, 15K, 1 ohm, 6.8K, 120 ohm. So definitely no 560. So basically I need a 560 for that video coming up. And so I'm just going to make one. And the worst part is I have these SMD like 0805 or 060 something resistors. But even in that kit, there's 56K, 5.6K, 56 ohms, but no 560. I was so pissed. So yeah, that kind of sucks. So basically, I have these 510s, which I will confirm to be 510, and I will solder it up with 4 of these 10 ohms. Thankfully, I have a ton of 10 ohms. You know what, I'm just going to make 2 just in case I fry one. Why not? And then I'm just going to use that in the video. And if people want to know how I made it, well, they can join Patreon. You guys did, and I love you guys for it. So they could too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, I need 5 per. Well, that's going to be a bulky resistor. Can I go a bit higher? I have 56K. $56 will bring me up by 6 ohms. You know what? I think I'll just make it work. Probably be better to just solder 2 together. So if I add 56, if I have 47 actually, if I add 47, I'll be short by 4 ohms. So maybe I'll do that. Don't know why I didn't think of that. I guess you guys let me think a little bit clearer. Sorry about the shit production quality. This is kind of off the cuff, just kind of bringing you along for the ride. Alright, don't want to get rid of my 510s. So 510s would be green, black. Where are they? Oh, green, brown, black. Yeah. So that's a 510. And green, brown, black. Yeah, that's it. These are 510s. The rest are 10s. They can go back. I don't want to spoil what the resistors are for. Some of you guys may like suspense. Well, I'm making an avalanche all over the place here. So 47 ohms. And if they're a tad bit high, well, that'll be fine too. Alright, I'll bring you guys up closer so you don't have to watch me set up my soldering stuff. And at the same time, if it's higher up, I can see better. So I'll bring you back then. Not sure if you're going to be able to see that. Hopefully you are. Alright, so I should have my 510s over to the side here. Let's just check what they actually test at. 504, it'll be quite a bit shorter. I've ordered a bunch of 503. Are you serious? So if I get my 56 ohm resistors, unless these guys are high, no, these are low. Ah, come on. I'll go get some 56 ohms. Okay, have some 56 ohms. Where'd they go? These guys. That might actually be perfect. Yeah, okay. So that's good. I really need to go buy some sticky tack because I don't have any more still. Haven't gone yet. Or would I go to the dollar store and I've got candy from Amazon. It's actually incredible. It's available as an add-on item. It's not not a regular thing. But if you're already buying stuff, there's nothing to lose. Okay. Uh-oh. No. Well, now, I knew I should have done this something a bit more heat-proof, and yet I did it anyway. Damn it. Here are some circuit boards that I've ruined trying to cut apart with the X-Acto knife method. I think the next time I make boards, which will be soon, by the way, I think the Chinese New Year is almost done. So I'm actually going to get on to designing and ordering some more circuit boards. I really like custom PCBs. I need to design some homemade ones too. There we go, that's well alloyed. Just snip the extra ends off. There we go. Did I solder the same ones together? I hope not. Maybe a little bit harder to test it with my pliers here, but I should be able to. Mega ohms? I don't think so, bud. There we go, 559.6. That is almost dead on. Awesome. So that's one. Let's do another. I never thought I'd make Patreon only content, but then again, I never thought I'd get Patreons. You guys deserve a little something for helping me out, that's for sure. There we go. That's done. We can check this guy, and I can stop wasting your time, and I'll make some decent content again. There. nearly on the dot. That's awesome. Well, thanks again for your support, guys. I hope you enjoy this little behind the scenes sort of less polished type video. And now I gotta get on with the actual video. See you guys on that one.